would say, and make this turn. It's probably 14 kilometer, I think so, 15 kilometer. I don't know the exact distance, but it's some similar kind of like that. So it's going to be a very scenic drive. Arrived at Red Rock Canyon. Here they provided the parking facility. I'll show you the washrooms as well. They have the washrooms. I did not remember they have a commode, or it's just kind of a disposable type washrooms. I'll show you here. So because I told you this is a working day.
And what's the temperature?
Yeah, temperature is like 31 degree right now. That's awesome. So this is the washroom they provided to the tourist. And you know, all over the world tourists usually come here. This is a kind of a wonder of the world, Canadian wonder of the world as well. You will see shortly, I'll show you what they have it. So I'm gonna find out my parking spot. Then we'll get back to you with the beautiful views. But you have to have some safety gadget with you and hiking gadget as well. So what a view, guys! Sunny, total crystal clear, blue sky, crisp weather. Wow! Let's go to show you the Red Canyon, guys. It's gonna be fun. Look at that. Red ground.
Oh, this time they put the benches over here.
Here. Like when we were here last time, there weren't anything. Usually there's too many people here, and a couple of years back there wasn't any those benches.
Yeah.
So they put it new. This is a new thing. And look at the ground. Oh. Of the rocks, and you know they are really like red, man. Wow. Can you zoom in there? No, check it back, guys. So like today I found less people here, but man, there's a lot of people. Check out this side. Red rocks. know, the whole ground is rock. I'm not sure, like, back there it says copper mining, so there's also copper mines, and I'm not sure if this ground got iron in it, right? Maybe they turn into reddish burgundy color, right? So marvelous view, guys. You see that there's the hiking points. You usually go from that side, right? And you can come in this side as well. Often. And there's also hiking this side as well along the canyon. Look at that. The ground, guys, burgundy color ground. Look at that. Look this ground. Wow. Let me go downstairs, ma'am. Wow, check it that. Wow. Guys, the formation of the rocks. Look at that. Burgundy red color. Look at that. The formation of the rocks. You guys never see that, right? Wow. Love this spot, guys. And this water, look at that. Coming from the glacier, guys, all the way up from the mountain. These are the mountains in the background. Look at that. Hey, so in a bit we're gonna leave the Red Rock Canyon. I hope you guys enjoy this trip and this spot as well. So throw the comments what you like it in our trip and what needs to be improved. we are waiting for your feedback. So keep sharing Enjoy Star Food with your family and friends, and throw the comments, and please subscribe as well. So see ya in another moment, guys.